Hey, I am back. I'm gonna finish this before I lose the day. Where is it? Okay, hold on. I got so much stuff I need to put away. There. Then these. Yeah. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. So I'm leaving for my trip the 20th. So yeah, huh? Damn. Let's see. Last time we only read to kuruma on Sham. So kuruma was car. So I'll just reread it. So kuruma, car, densha, electric train, jitensha, car, jitensha. Huh? Wait, so jirosha. Okay, jirosha is car. Jitensha is bicycle, but it could also be kuruma. Then mountain is yama or san. So yama is mountain. Yamaguchi-san, Mr/Mrs. Yamaguchi. Then Fujiyama or Fuji-san is Mount Fuji. Then Yamate-san, Mr/Mrs. Yamate. Yamamoto-san, Mr/Mrs. Yamamoto. River is Kawa or Gawa. So Kawa is river. Kawaguchi-san, Mr/Mrs. Kawaguchi. Kawamoto-san, Mr/Mrs. Kawamoto. Yamakawa-san, Mr/Mrs. Kawamoto. O'clock is G. So I'm guessing Ichiji is 1 o'clock, right? I could be wrong. Then some sentences are Chichi to haha wa Nihongo ga sukoshi wakarimasu. Then tomodachi wa tobi ni. Huh? I'm guessing it's B. No. I'm gonna just skip it. No. I don't know what kanji that is, dude. Fuck. But tobi ni kuruma de uchi ni kimashita. Yamamoto-san wa shitaji 15分頃に電車で then Katsukohe ikimasu. Damn, I am struck by my spelling, dude. Shit. Whatever. Then person is hito, nin, or jin. So onohito is that person. Hitori is one person. Hutari is 2 people. Then sanin is 3 people. Nihonjin, Japanese person. Ko is child, so korosa is child. Female is onna, so onna no hito is woman, lady. Onna no ko is girl. So like is suki. Rice field is ta or da. So Taguchi-san, Mr/Mrs. Taguchi. Then Kaneda-san, Mr/Mrs. Kaneda. Mr/Mrs. Kaneda. Then Tagawa-san, Mr/Mrs. Tagawa. Yamada-san, Mr/Mrs. Yamada. Then Honda-san, Mr/Mrs. Honda. Male is otoko. So otoko no hito is man. Otoko no ko is boy. Then watashi is the recognition kanji. There's 2 ways to say it because apparently they sound the same. It's just watashi wa Yamada desu. Watashi wa Yamada desu. I am Yamada. Formal. I'm guessing it doesn't really make a difference. I mean, I don't really see the difference. One's just I am Yamada but formal. I don't see it. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe that's just me. Yamada-san, onano ko desu. Then, soshite kuruma ga suki desu. Wait. Then, otoko no hito wa nihonjin de warimasen. Then mixed sounds. I'm just do this for a refresher. So kya, kyu, kyo, gya, gyu, gyo, sha, shu, sho, ja, ju, jo, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, bya, byu, byo, pya, pyu, pyo, mya, myu, myo, ria, ryu, ryo. Then I'm gonna show you guys that's the katakana version of it. All right. Well, anyways, that is gonna be it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.